How to list items on Facebook Marketplace with Facebook Business Suite from Amazon or wherever you want from. Facebook is the biggest social media platform with 2.89 billion monthly active users. So how could you miss that, guys? Just start selling on it. Do dropshipping, make some money. I'll show you how to do that. So please keep watching this video till end. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to list items on Facebook Marketplace. It's just super easy to do, and I'm gonna show you that right away. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started. I'm gonna take you to my screen now.
Okay, this is Amazon over here first. Let me find any random item. Okay, that's good to go. This is Facebook Business Suite Items Place, and here we can see Add Items button. We can list multiple and single items with that. For now, I'm gonna use Add One Item. Okay, now I have to upload item pictures over here, so I'll download it from Amazon. But if you're holding items with yourself at home, then you can take pictures with your mobile phone and upload them over here. Okay, now I'm gonna put product title over here. Now put the description. Just copy from Amazon and paste it here. But doing it one by one to get it sorted on Facebook. Website link is optional, you can leave it as it is. Now put selling price over here. Let's check what's the supplier price. It's $39.99 US. I'm gonna add 30% into this. As we know, Facebook charge 5% fee on selling, so 25% will be my profit. Now I can sell it in $51.99 US. Put it over here. Click here when you want to show your buyers that this item is available on discounted price as for sale. Condition is new, or put accordingly what condition you have for sale. Brand name is optional, and we can put branded over here, or we can put anything over here. Content ID is also optional, but I would prefer to put something here to keep it tracked while using MS Excel for item details. You can put any numbers over here just to identify a product for yourself. Select appropriate category over here. Now click on next. Let it active to show buyers. Availability in stock. 5 quantity is good. Here we got delivery options. I already did settings for that in Commerce Manager, so that's good to go. Product text category is optional. If you would like, you can choose from drop down options. Click on next. I'll skip this step because I don't want it to be in my catalog as variant of another item, so skip this step. Click on finish. It's done. Now we can see it over here. It has been listed.
This is how you can list items on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you did like this video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please write down in the comment section below. I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.